Hey everyone. Have you ever heard someone say, "Do you speak English?" "I am learning," or "You must study hard." Guess what? All these sentences have one thing in common. Auxiliary verbs. Yes, those little helper verbs that make your English sound so much smoother and so much smarter. Welcome back to ESC Grammar and Structure, where learning English is always simple, fun, and crystal clear. So today, we're going to explore all types of English auxiliary verbs, what they are, how they work, and how you can master them easily. Ready? Let's go! 1. What are auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs, also called helping verbs, are verbs that help the main verb show tense, mood, or voice. They're like your grammar assistants. They don't work alone, but help the main verb shine. For example, she is studying English. They have finished their homework. You must try this. Here, is, have, and must are auxiliary verbs. 2. Types of auxiliary verbs. We can divide auxiliary verbs into 3 main types. 1. Primary auxiliaries. 2. Modal auxiliaries. And 3. Semi-modals. Let's break them down one by one. 2.1. Primary auxiliaries. Be, have, and do. These are the big 3 of English grammar. 1. Be. Is, am, are, was, were, be, and been. Forms continuous tenses and passive voice. Examples. She is reading. The book was written by J.K. Rowling. 2. Have, has, and had. Forms perfect tenses. Examples. I have finished my meal. He had left before I arrived. 3. Used in questions, negatives, and emphasis. Examples. Do you like pizza? She doesn't know him. I do understand. Emphasises dramatically. 2.2. Modal auxiliaries. These are the attitude verbs. They show possibility, ability, permission, obligation, or certainty. The main modal verbs are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Let's look at them in action. Can, ability. I can swim. May, permission. You may leave early. Must, obligation. You must wear a helmet. Will, future. I will call you later. Should, advice. You should study more. Each modal changes the meaning and tone of the sentence, like a magic touch for your grammar. 2.3. Semi-modal auxiliaries. These verbs act like modals, but they aren't pure modals. Examples include need to, have to, ought to, used to, dare to. For example, I need to go now. You have to finish your work. We used to play outside as kids. See, they look like modals but take 2. That's what makes them semi-modals. 3. Auxiliary verbs in action. Let's see how auxiliaries help us form tenses and meanings. Present continuous. I am working. Present perfect. I have finished. Simple past. Did you watch it? No, I didn't. Modal usage. You should sleep early. It might rain later. See? You can't make fluent sentences without these little heroes. 4. Let's practice. It's quiz time. I'll give you 3 short questions. Let's see how well you got it. Question 1. Which sentence uses a primary auxiliary? A. I must go now. B. She is dancing. C. You should come early. Answer B. She is dancing. Is a primary auxiliary verb. Question 2. Which sentence contains a modal auxiliary? A. I have done it. B. He can swim fast. C. Do you like apples? Answer B. He can swim fast. Can is a modal auxiliary showing ability. Question 3. Which one is a semi-modal auxiliary? A. You must study hard. B. I have to go now. C. She will travel tomorrow. Answer B. I have to go now. Have to is a semi-modal. Well done if you got them all correct. 5. Quick recap. Let's summarise. Auxiliary verbs come in 3 types. Primary auxiliaries, be, have, do. Modal auxiliaries, can, may, must, should, will, etc. Semi-modals, need to, have to, used to, ought to, dare to. They help express time, mood and intention, and without them, English sentences would sound incomplete or confusing. So now you know, auxiliary verbs are the silent helpers that make English grammar powerful and expressive. If you enjoyed learning with me today, hit that like button, subscribe to escape grammar and structure, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And tell me in the comments, which auxiliary verb do you find most confusing? Let's talk about it in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep mastering English. One grammar rule at a time. See you in the next video.